From the time of our meeting, we decided that right after class, I went up to some classmates and then I ended up asking them if they wanted to film the video together. So we ended up exchanging our social medias and making a group chat that decided where we were available to film the meeting, which was around a Tuesday at 2 p.m. after our classes ended. We met up at the In and Out, and whoever got there first ended up picking the seat. And since it was very busy, we ended up sitting outside, where we began by introducing ourselves and like setting up our cameras with two cameras filming at the same time. And we started off by just having our In and Out order, and we talked about things that we could all relate to, which was high school and then our experiences with prom, with homecoming, with grad night, and just things that we remembered or things that we could end up relating to. From there, I noticed about myself when I was rewatching the video that I have a tendency to look away when I'm actually paying attention and listening. I look towards the distance, and I probably need to work on eye contact a bit more, as well as the fact that I would fidget with the ring that I was wearing or any other jewelry that I had from the whenever other people were speaking. And I have noticed that I have a bit more of a scary face when I'm talking to other people or listening to other people. I have a bit more of a serious one, so I need to work on smiling a bit more. And I just did notice that I prefer listening a lot more than when it came to actually speaking throughout the meeting, where I would sit there and listen as the other two people would talk about their stories, talk about things that happened throughout their time in high school and the experiences with it. But I was able to relate to a lot of things that were happening, like about the aquarium being one of the dance settings for prom, and how there was a choice in my school from to pick that one or to pick from SoFi Stadium. And I was annoyed at the fact that the people on the that decided where the dance would be decided to pick SoFi Stadium. And throughout the entire meeting, we ended up talking a bit, and I related to a lot of the things that they were saying. I did notice I do have to work with eye contact, and I have to work with speaking out a bit more on things, since there were a couple of things that I wanted to add on to.